name's Michelle McBurney. I'm a volunteer with the British Red Cross. The welfare centres are based at the bottom of Town Hill, in what is known to the locals as the toilet block. We are open on a Saturday evenings from 10:30 until 4:30 in the morning, and some additional nights over the Christmas and New Year. We provide first aid if needed, but we'd rather you didn't come here for first aid. We'd rather you come here first when things start to be a problem. We can supply you with flip-flops. We can supply you with a bottle of water. You can come in and just have a chat with us. We can provide you with some emotional support if things are just not going well for your night out. Just come and have a chat and we'll see what we can do to help. The centre is staffed by Red Cross volunteers. We work with the door staff. Most of our calls come from the door staff. We also work with the street pastors, the police, ambulance crews, and anybody else who's working in the town centre on the nights we're working. My advice for a night out would be to not drink before you leave the house. Pace yourself, maybe drink soft drinks in between those alcoholic drinks. Know your limits, keep an eye out on your mates. If you think one of you have had too much, maybe have a drink of water or something and try and sober up a little bit before things become less safe. It doesn't matter what's happened, we're not here to judge you, we're here to keep you safe and to make sure you get home safe and you enjoy your night out. So whatever it is, if you've taken drugs, it's not a problem, we'll help you. One of the aims of the centre is to reduce the impact we have on the ED at the Miler, on the ambulance service and the number of call-outs they have. We have reduced 43 calls this year to date, probably a few more that didn't get as far as a 999 call for the ambulance service, but we work to try and stop you getting to the point where you're going to need those services, so anything we can do to stop you getting to that point.